Hello. If you don't know how to study before exams or tips to boost your study, then watch this video till and see how to manage your study effectively. Let's see, these are the techniques that helps you.
Firstly, consider the Pomodoro technique. This method involves breaking your study time into intervals. Picture this: 25 minutes of focused study, followed by a 5-minute break. It's simple, yet effective. The short breaks can help refresh your mind, reducing mental fatigue and maintaining a high level of focus. Secondly, engage in active recall. Instead of passively reviewing notes, quiz yourself on the material. This active engagement forces your brain to retrieve information, strengthening your memory and understanding of the subject matter. Thirdly, try mind mapping. This involves creating visual maps to connect and organize ideas. By visually representing your thoughts, you can understand complex concepts more easily and remember them more effectively. Next, teach others. Explaining concepts to someone else not only helps them but also reinforces your own understanding. When you teach, you learn twice. The fifth technique is to use a variety of resources. Don't limit yourself to textbooks. Online resources, videos, and other educational platforms provide diverse perspectives and a more comprehensive grasp of the subject. Sixth, remember healthy snacking. Fuel your brain with nutritious snacks like fruits and nuts, and remember to hydrate with water. Maintaining a balanced diet can help maintain focus and energy levels throughout your study sessions. Seventh, practice goal setting. Set realistic, achievable goals to stay motivated and track your progress. This provides a clear direction and helps you measure your success. Eighth, change study locations. Believe it or not, switching up your study spots can help keep your mind alert. Different environments stimulate different parts of your brain, enhancing memory retention. Ninth, eliminate distractions. Turn off social media notifications and create a distraction-free zone. The fewer distractions, the more focused you'll be. Lastly, consider a reward system. Treat yourself with short breaks or small rewards after reaching study milestones. This can boost motivation and make studying more enjoyable. In summary, effective studying involves more than just reading and highlighting. It requires active engagement, organization, a variety of resources, and a conducive environment. Remember the Pomodoro technique, active recall, mind mapping, teaching others, using diverse resources, healthy snacking, goal setting, changing study locations, eliminating distractions, and rewarding yourself. By incorporating these techniques, you can enhance your learning experience, improve your comprehension, and boost your productivity. Happy studying!